Good morning, everyone. Children, in today's session, we are going to do book exercises of chapter number 7. And the name of this chapter is Main Verbs. But before moving towards the book exercise, I would like to ask you one question. Do you know what is a verb? A word which tells us about the actions people or animal do is called verb. Verbs are also called doing words or action words. Understood, children? Now, in this chapter, we will learn the usage of helping verbs. That is, am, are, was, and verb. Now, children, these all are helping verbs. Helping verbs have different types of responsibility. So they help the main verbs. Now children, come to page number 45. Open your book and open page number 45. You have to read the conversation among some animals. Now what monkey is saying? I am Chimpu, pointing to the elephant. Here you can see. This is Jumbo. We have come to you because you are the king of the jungle. Now what lion is saying? What is the problem? Monkey is saying, I am hungry. I have no place to live. Humans are cutting down the trees. Elephant is saying, I am thirsty and dirty. There is no water left for me to drink and bathe. The lion is saying, the forest was our home and we were happy here until some time ago. Now the situation is different. Let us enter the villages and towns. Now children, here you can see am, is, are, am, was, were. What are these? These are helping verbs. Main verbs have the main responsibility of creating meaning for sentences. And helping verbs have different types of responsibility in sentences. They help the main verbs. Understood, children? Now, look at the words. In the conversation only, you have to look at these words. Am, is, are, was, and were. Do they show action or do they express a state or condition? Let us learn about am, is, are, was, and were as main verbs. Now, here you can see few sentences are given. Here they play role of main verbs. Okay. I am a student. Here you can see am. He or she is a teacher. Here you can see is. Here is helping verb, but in this sentence it is main verb. You are pretty. Here are is the main verb. We are hungry. Here also are is the main verb. They are happy. Tanmay was in our class. Here was is main verb. Rick and Jim were neighbors. Now in the sentences above, the words am, is, are, was, and were have been used as main verbs. They do not show action. They tell us how or what somebody or someone is. Also note that each sentence has just one verb. That is am, is, are, was or were. Now these sentences does not show any action. Understood, children? They tells us how or what somebody or someone is. Now let us know or understand how these verbs are used. Now here you can see. Children, can you tell me the usage of am? It is used in the present time and it is used with I. Am is always used with the word, or you can say with the pronoun I. Is. We use is with naming word that stand for one and words that replace naming words that stand for one. So is used in the present time and it is used with he, she, it and nouns in the singular number. Now are. We use are with naming word that stand for many and words that replace naming word that stand for many. We use are when we talk about two or more person or thing. Understood, children? So it is used in the present time and we use are with the pronoun you, we, they and nouns in the plural form. Now, was. We use was in the past time, means in which the action has been already done. And we use was with I, he, she, it. We use is with he, she, it in the present time. And we use was with I, he, she, it in the past time. Now were. Were is also used in the past time and it is used with we, you, they and nouns in the plural in number. We use are in the present times and with you, we, they and nouns in the plural number, and we use were in the past time with we, you, they and nouns in the plural number. Plural number means more than one. Now children, come to page number 47. Exercise number A. Draw lines to match the words correctly with the verbs used in the present time. Now here Megha and Rohan. Here you can see we are talking about two people, isn't it? And we use are with the naming word that stand for more than one person. So here you can see two people are there. So with this we will use are. Now he is in the singular form. So with singular form, present time, which verb will come? Is will come. Now you all means we are talking about many. So with many we will use are. It. We use it for an animal or a thing. Means for only one. So we will use is. I. As I have already told you, we use I with am. Okay, so we will match it with am. Now Ahmad, we are talking about one person only. So in present time with one person we will use is. Rivers. We are not talking about one river. We are talking about rivers. So many rivers. So we will match it with are. Now you. Children, remember that we will use the plural form that is are. We will use are with you in the present time, and in the past time we will use were with you. Understood, children? So with you have to match it with are. Now draw lines to match the words correctly with the verbs used in the past time. Past time means two main verbs are given here, was and were. In the past time, was and were, and in the present time, am, is and are. Now in this case, they are the main verbs because there is no action in these sentences. Understood, children? Now with I, we will use was, as I have already told you in that table. My parents means we are talking about more than one. So we will match it with were. She is singular form. So we will match it with was. Hospitals, we are talking about more than one hospital. So we will match it with were. You, again, in this case I have explained you, with you we will match it with the plural form, that is are. So here also you will match it with the plural one only, that is were. We, again more than one, so you will match it with were. Anu is only one person, so you will match it with was. Understood, children? Now the C1. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct verbs from the option given in the brackets. Now these roses dash very beautiful. As you already know that we use are when we talk about two or more person or thing. So here you can see roses. We are talking about many roses. So we will use are because as you all already know that we use am with I. Second one is Varun dash an honest person. Now here Varun is only one person and two options are given, are and is. And you already know that we use are when we talk about two or more person. So here you can see only one person, so with one is will come. Now I dash sorry for being late. Now it is very easy. Children, remember that we use am with I. Now the fourth one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam dash born in Rameshwaram. We are talking about only one person and it is in the past form. Okay. So for singular we use was and for plural we use were. So APJ Abdul Kalam, we are talking about only one person. So here was will come. The boys dash here yesterday. Yesterday means the day which has already gone. So here you can see boys means there are many boys. We are talking about many boys. So we will use were. Now come to page number 48. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are, was or were. The weather dash nice today means we are talking about the present time. Okay. And singular. So we will use is. The weather dash terrible yesterday means we are talking about the day which has been already gone. So we will use was. I dash tired today. Now we are talking about the present time today. And you can see here I is also there. So we use am with I. So here you will write am. But you dash fresh. As I have already told you that with you will always use the plural form. So here you can see with you we have used are. Last year, Carol dash 6 years old. We are talking about the last year, means we are talking about the past time. So we will use was because Carol is only one person. Now she dash 7 years old, means we are talking about the present time. And for only one person we will use is. You dash late yesterday. Again you can see yesterday. Yesterday means the day which has already gone. We are talking about the past time. So we will use were because as I have already told you that with you will use the plural form. You all dash going to the park today. Again we are talking about the present time. And with you all means many. For many we will use are. So children, I hope this is clear to you. Now the E1. Do as directed. Use the hints given in the boxes. Read how Lisa describes herself. Then write 4 sentences about yourself using the verb am. Now you have to use the verb am. And you have to make 4 sentences. An example is already given to you. I am a girl. I am Lisa. I am 7 years old. I am from Patna. Now in this way only you have to describe yourself. Understood? Suppose I am a girl. So I will write here I am a girl. Now I am, you have to write in the second sentence you will write the name. I am, your name will come. Understood? Then I am dash years old. It means you have to write your age. If you are 6 years old, you will write I am 6 years old. If you are 7 years old, you will write I am 7 years old. So you have to write the age in the third sentence. Last one is the town or city where you live in. The name of the city or town you have to write. Like in this you can see here Lisa has written I am from Patna. So here you will write I am from Abu Road or I am from Sarupganj or I am from Ambaji. Like this you have to complete this by yourself. As you can see I have written homework. Now come to page number 49. Complete these sentences using the verb is. Now in this you have to use the verb is. This I have already done. You can see the Eiffel Tower. So here the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Now next is it. It is a historical monument. This you can see I have written here. Then the third one is it is very tall tower. The last one is it is very beautiful. Very I have added. It is up to you. If you want to add, you can add. If you don't want to add, you can write it is beautiful. Understood, children? Now the third one is complete the sentences using the verb are. In the first sentence you can see Lata and Asha are sisters. Now the next one is they are singers. I have written here. Then they are daughters of Dinanath Mangeshkar. Then the last one, they are not twins. Now come to the last page. Complete these sentences using the verb was. The Titanic was a very big ship. As you can see, it is written here. Then it was very long and very wide. Then last one, it was a very comfortable ship. Now the fifth one. Complete these sentences using the verb were. Were Laurel and Hardy were actors. So this you can see we have written here. Then they were very famous. So I have written here. Then they were not brothers. Then the two of them were born in two different cities. So children, I hope that you have understood this very well. You have to remember then that we use verb am in the present time and we use with I. Secondly, we use verb is in the present time with he, she, it and nouns in the singular number. Then we use verb are in the present time with you, we, they and nouns in the plural number. Then we use was with the past time with I, he, she, it and nouns in the singular number. Singular number means one. Then lastly, we use verb were in the past time with we, you, they and nouns in the plural number. So children, I hope you have understood the concept of main helping verbs. But in this chapter, we have this am, is, are, was, were. They play the main verb role because actions in these sentences, you can see actions have been not done. So I hope that you have understood this chapter. Let's summarize this chapter. We have learnt how we use am, is, are, was, were as main verbs. And they express a state or condition. They do not express action. Understood, children? So, your today's home assignment will be, you have to do all the book exercise of this chapter today itself. Understood, children? So, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.